Hello guys! Welcome back to BIJ TV Official. Guys, ito ngayon ang niluto kong pork steak natin. Yan for dinner. Ayan, ang pag-marinate ko ng pork steak guys is nilagyan ko lang siya ng garlic powder and then black pepper. Ground black pepper, syempre. At saka may lemon yan. Then garnish natin ng onion. Ayan. Siyempre, lagyan din natin yan ng liquid seasoning at saka yung oyster sauce. Yun. Sobrang lambot ng pork steak natin, guys. Ang ginamit nating pork yan, guys, is yung pork shoulder. Yan. O, diba? Masarap. It's our dinner. Ingat po kayo lagi and God bless. Bye!